A criminal case in Springfield, Illinois could have major implications for emergency medical care in this country. Now, this case involves an incident captured in very disturbing police body cam video last month. The man in the footage, his name is Earl Moore Jr. He died a short time later, and 2 emergency medical workers who treated him have now been charged with first-degree murder. Moore's family sat down with Charlie DeMar for their first TV interview on this heartbreaking story for the family. Charlie, good morning to you.
Good morning, Gail. Earl Moore Jr.'s mother and sister say he was a hardworking man who loved his family. They say he struggled with alcohol, but was trying to beat his addiction. We do warn you, the video you're about to see may be disturbing.
My heart hurt because I ain't gonna never see my son no more. Ever. All because of those 2 people.
When 35-year-old Earl Moore Jr. called 911, he was looking for help. But the paramedics who were supposed to care for him are now accused of killing him.
We're going to have an ambulance come check you out, man.
Police officers called for that ambulance on December 18th after they were told Moore was hallucinating due to alcohol withdrawal.
This is Earl.
Body cameras captured Peggy Finley, a paramedic with Lifestar Ambulance Service, entering the room. Just a minute later, when Moore didn't respond, Finley yelled at him.
Earl, sit up.
She then tried to drag him across the floor.
Sit up. Sit up now.
What do you make of the paramedics' demeanor, their attitude, their behavior?
Rude, mean. She didn't even know Earl, but she act like she knew him, calling his name and dragging him like that.
You're gonna have to walk because we ain't carrying you.
So let's get up on your feet.
Because I am seriously not in the mood for this dumb.
At one point, an officer appears to notice Finley is agitated.
Listen to the music.
When Moore finally got outside, officers helped another Lifestar paramedic, Peter Cadigan, put him on a stretcher. Cadigan appears to shove Moore back down on his stomach before both paramedics secure the safety straps.
That's the part I keep seeing. I keep seeing him slam him like that. That's what I keep seeing, to her whole body shake.
Moore died less than an hour later after arriving at the hospital. An autopsy says the cause was asphyxia due to prone, face-down restraint. Finley's lawyer told CBS News the murder charges are an overreaching stretch, saying prosecutors are turning what at most might be negligence into a murder. Cadigan's attorney similarly says this was a tort, not a criminal case, and that his client is devastated and called the case highly unusual. Bob Hilliard represents the Moore family.
I think that based on the video, which thank God there is a video, that they'll be convicted.
If convicted, Cadigan and Finley could face anywhere from 20 to 60 years in prison. Lifestar declined our request for comment, and the attorney representing the Moore family plans on filing a wrongful death lawsuit against both Lifestar and the paramedics involved later this morning. Nate?
Charlie, thank you.
I'm with the attorney that says, thank goodness there is a video. You know, what's so disturbing about that is Mr. Moore had called for help. Clearly, he has had issues. You can, his family would say that. But the fact that he was treated in such an inhumane manner is very tough to watch.
It's very, very tough to watch. And, of course, being an EMT is one of the most difficult, stressful jobs out there, of course, right?
Yes,
but nothing excuses that kind of treatment of a patient.
Yeah, but Gail, you said the key words, call for help. Help.